Right, Self Converter tool is a tool that I use in getting CPA to convert, and many of you guys have been asking me to reveal the secret. Now I am going to be revealing the secret step by step, and I'm going to be showing you guys the guide on how you can be able to implement the same thing as well, just like the way I'm doing it, so that you can be able to get similar results. Okay, but many of you guys are making mistake because you fail to understand something about the self converter tool. Is a tool that you need to use in order for you to get conversion on any CPA platform, but it is not get rich quick scheme. All right, it's not a Ponzi scheme. That it's not something that you just get the tool and you begin to make money overnight, like as if it's a Ponzi scheme. All you need to do is to put effort, work hard, and you'll be able to get the result that you're looking for. Okay, now, so in order for you to get conversion on CPA network, let me mention the things that you need. First, you need the converter tool. Then after the converter tool, you need a valid proxy address or a proxy IPs, then which is 2. The third one is you need a organic traffic. You also need a landing page, and all these things I mentioned, you don't need to invest money on them before you can get started. They are totally free. Okay, for the case of the proxy, I've provided a promo code in my video description, so you can be able to get access to 1 gig free data and also 3 gig free data that you can use to generate unlimited proxy for 6 days. Now, let's go to the landing page aspect. For the landing page, you can use Google site, and anyone can do this. You can use Google site to go ahead and create a simple landing page. And basically, you can use your mobile phone or your PC to create a simple landing page for your CPA offer, which is 2. Now, the next one is the organic traffic. You don't need to run paid ads on Facebook or YouTube or Google before you can get organic traffic. Now, for you to get organic traffic, what you need actually is for you to create consistent content on social media platform. Either you are posting videos, you are posting images, or you are posting articles. Below each of these posts you are going to be making, your links will be attached to it. Okay, then the other one, which is so if you consider all of this, you find out that you don't even need to spend a dime for you to get started and begin to make money with any CPA network you are actually using. All right, and that is why I'm dedicated in making this video to explain and simplify the process. If anyone tell you that self converter, okay, or to make money with any CPA network, you need to spend huge amount of money to secure your opportunity to make this money, it's a lie. All you need is just your smartphone or your PC and you're good to go. This is Macro Hustle TV. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.